Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's now the closing bell. It's Thursday, June the 6th, just gone 2 o'clock, and we've got the last hour, and then we've got a big premiere coming up for you right at the end of the show. You cannot afford to miss. Let's get straight into it. It's been a big afternoon today, once again, in the world of meme. A lot of stuff going on. GameStop's been exploding again. A lot of attention on that. But right now, you can see where we are. We are just red very, very slightly. We are technically a red day, but that doesn't matter. We are all-time highs anyway. $90,202. Absolutely fantastic. We're starting to compound now. In those early investments, it's all coming, all the crops are booming, and we're not selling the farm, but we are selling the crops. Our businesses are making money. We are holding our businesses and selling our crops today. That's what we're doing. I just thought of that analogy a few moments ago. So there we are. There is what's going on. And welcome to everybody. What a day it's been today. Now, if you're watching me on Rumble, I've been putting out my videos on Rumble today for you. So all day long, there's been new videos going on Rumble. So hopefully you've seen them. I've just posted 7 videos. There's 3 more on their way to you. So everything I do on YouTube is actually on Rumble as well. So for all of my Rumble audience, I've just got a crowd coming in now. Welcome to all of you. Then you do get all of the videos as well. All right, fantastic. There's just 3 more at the moment uploading. They should be there in the next 15-20 minutes. But tonight, after hours, and also on Rumble as well, will be a special interview and reaction with live reaction with YouTube, Michael Cole Glazier, an interview that's coming up later. All right, okay, let's just minimize that for a moment, put that down there. Just trying to check on something. Yeah, put that over there. And right, what have we got here? Hugo T, Roaring Kitty live YouTube tomorrow. Is he live, is he? That'll be interesting then. Hey Martin, I'm in UK. I would like to get funded for a prop firms challenge, but I don't know where to go. Could you advise me about it? What do you mean? You'd like to get funded by a prop firms to get funded by a prop firms challenge. JJFX, could you rephrase that? I'm not sure I know what you mean. Sensei Crypto is here this afternoon. How are you, Sensei? We've missed you. Wonderful to see you here on the show. There are already 13,000 people waiting and chatting on his video. Fantastic. Hugo T, send me the link. I know you can't at the moment, but if you become a member, send me the link into Discord. We can look at it. We can research it. I can verify it, but I don't use any information that I cannot verify. So again, I know you're not a member, but we don't know who you are. We don't know if you're a bot or a scammer. We've got no idea, Hugo, until we can verify people. But if you want to get verified, send me the link. I'll research it. We'll cover it. We'll put it on the show. And all the rest of it. Any new thoughts on GME? Any new thoughts? Well, we've been talking about it a lot recently, but I mean, what specifically are you asking, Sensei? You can see it's massively up again today, 34%. It's flying again. Roaring Kitty's getting on TV again. He's getting mentioned. We did have an interview with I just shared with Vlad Tenev, who was talking about GameStop just some moments ago. I've just put it out, and it's an interview video. You might want to go and check it out. Just on YouTube, Roaring Kitty channel. Okay, but I can't search it for it now. I'm in the middle of a show, but I'm sure somebody will send me the link later on. Anyway. Hi Sensei, how you doing? Hello John, Sensei, Martin, Brian. Lovely to have you here. Welcome indeed. Hi Brian Bynum, how are you this afternoon? Very well indeed, I hope. All right, okay, let's have a look. They were just down very slightly, but we're all-time highs. Sensei, Have you seen my latest balance? Did you see it earlier? We've reached another all-time high. Still no shorts. I don't do any shorts. I'm not doing any options. 90,225. We've had a fantastic run over the last couple of weeks. Those dips really came in handy that I bought. They've all paid off. As I said before, just made up a new analogy. I'm not selling the farm. I've got a farm. I own the farm. And the farm is now producing plants and vegetables and wheat and corn, and we're selling the corn. The businesses are making money, hence my portfolio is making money. That's what investment is all about. Right. Well, congratulations. Thank you, mate. Yes. Next target is 100,000. We're going to be there because I owe 28,000 on margin, and that will come off because I've borrowed the stocks at the moment. So as soon as I earn 28 grand, I'll go up by 28 grand. So another couple of bucks, another couple of thousand this month when I get paid on June 21st. So it'll be 93,000 in a week or so. I do have a tax rebate as well because I managed to post losses last year of $1,500. That will come in. So we're on the way up. On the way up. Wow! Congratulations. Thank you, Sensei. You've sent me a link there. Let me have a look at what that is. Copy. Let me go and see what that is. Oh, it's not going to show like that. Let me do this then. Okay, open link in a new tab. Let's have a look. Roaring Kitty live stream. I'll wager you. What is this here? Live in 20 hours. Yes. I've no. Isn't that crazy? Look at this. It doesn't even mean anything. Isn't it amazing? I'll wager with you. I'll make you a bet. It's just nonsense. What does this mean? Roaring Kitty just sits around laughing at people. Look at the thumbnail. It's really badly designed. It's nothing. Doesn't mean anything. It's just silly pictures. It appeals to people that have no idea what they're doing. Look. It's all just nonsense. What the hell is that supposed to mean? Thanks for sharing it with me. Anyway, I'm sure it's going to get a lot of attention. So anyway, people have gone crazy over it. The chat is gone berserk. There's 15,000 likes in it already. It's going to be a big event for him. It's going to make him a lot of money. He'll make thousands and thousands of dollars from the stream, and then he'll just he'll probably buy the S&P 500. Anyway, hi yours. Anyone seen a recent article about Musk talking about hydrogen for trucking on StockTwits? I haven't. William, send me in the link via Discord. If you become a member, I can verify it, discuss it on the show. JFX, I would like to start a prop firm challenge. What's a prop firm challenge? But not sure where to go. JFX, I would like to start a prop firm challenge. What's a prop firm challenge? I know what a prop firm is because I, as a producer of a theatre company, I used to go to prop firms and hire equipment and staging. But a prop firm challenge, I have no idea what that is. Good evening, all. How are you? Look at the chat box. Yes, I am looking at the chat box. It's very, very busy. Who's got the time? In fact, I'll make a bit of a funny video out of that. Live rents free in your head. Martin, Roaring Kitty lives rent free in your head. That's true. Hi, Martin, gents. Do you think that the imminent interest rate cut is reflected in the current end-phase price? Of course, everything that borrows money, like end-phase, for example, where is it? That's why we're up to 132. It borrows a lot of money. All these stocks that borrow money are going to benefit from the stock price going up. Are all going to benefit. The mega caps, though, those that like interest being high, Amazon, Apple, they don't really care less. Good evening, John. How are you? Meme stop time. Yes. Good evening, Malk. Good to see you, mate. Hi, Malk. Hi, Ed. Hi, Crag. Are you ready? Sensei, where do you see GameStop up or down tomorrow? Hi, Ed. Yes, a prop firm. A prop firm. Okay. So what's the challenge then? I don't know. I'd like to start a prop firm. I know what a prop firm is, but what's a challenge? I don't get it. Sorry, I don't understand, JJ Fox, what you're asking me. I can help lots of people, but I need to know what it is you're asking. Craig, Grand Fours. Hi, John. Hugo, I think. Up. Martin, he just wants to be funded for a day. He just wants to be funded for day trading accounts. Okay. Hey, Senza. Hey, Craig. Okay. Let's have a look at this then, shall we? We'll make a news on this. Here we go. You want to talk about it? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Okay, here we go. Right, so now then. I know what I'm going to do. Dun. Okay. Videos. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now then. I have to say, oh gosh. Okay. Let's have some fun with this, shall we? Okay. We've got to have some fun. Let's have some fun. Okay, let's have some fun. Let's do this. Ready? Okay. GameStop, we have to have some fun with this. There's something about to happen. You like the hat? What do you think of that? Okay, look at this. We've got an event just 20 hours away. It's going to go live at 11 a.m. Central in the morning. Look how busy the chat is. Is this going to be the biggest GameStop moment in history? What do you think? What is very interesting, what I'm finding interesting is the amount of people that are in the chat right now. It beggars belief what is about to occur. I've no idea. The thumbnail doesn't tell us anything at all, doesn't give any indication of what we're about to see, so we've no idea what that means. But this is the first time that Keith Gill, Roaring Kitty, is going to go live. The chat is gone berserk. The stock is gone berserk. And it's worth mentioning as well, because this is just a bit of fun, right? We've just put out a video you cannot afford to miss. Vlad Tenith, who is the CEO of Robinhood, in the center of the whole GameStop saga last time. Look at this. He has just done an interview. We've just been listening to an interview with him talking about GameStop and how Robinhood had a part to play in it. If you've not yet seen this video, I strongly recommend you do because you'll get some understanding of what may be about to occur with GameStop to be ready for it tomorrow. Vlad Tenith is interviewed and he talks all about Roaring Kitty, GameStop, and it might give you some insight into what is going to happen tomorrow, especially as we're coming up to the weekend. He talks about it literally in this video, so you need to go and watch that video. GameStop, since the announcement was made, is firing up again. It's up 39%. Are you going to buy GameStop at $44? I know I'm not even going to bother showing you the chart because it seems like no one cares about the chart. No one seems to care about the value of the company whatsoever. But anyway, there it is. look at the chat. The chat is going absolutely crazy. This is incredible. There's 15,000 people waiting for this event. The event doesn't even start for another 20 hours. And it's got, well, what can I say? Anyone would love numbers like that. I certainly would. 15,000 likes and thousands of people chatting for an event that's 20 hours away. He's getting more attention than Elton John or Michael Jackson would have got online. The presidential elections. I mean, it's certainly a lot of people are paying a lot of attention to this. So we need to just, we need to think about it. So there you go. There's the GameStop. There's the event. So what do you think? Should we cover this tomorrow? I don't know. What do you think? Anyway, click above my head for all the links. I'll post some links as we get them throughout the day. Get some news down below in the description. You want to go and check out that video. You want to hear about what Vlad Tenev thinks of this. He mentioned it in this video. You can't afford to miss it. And I tell you what I'll do as well is over here, I'll go back to here. Over here, I will actually run a poll on my X account. Let me just show you right now. And we will see over here on my X account, I will put a poll. We had a poll here earlier about Virgin Galactic. I'll put a poll just here and you can comment on this and let's see what you think. I'll run a poll. I'm not sure what the poll will be just yet. I'll look at what's going on and I'll put together a poll. So there you go. Click up above my head, martynlucas.com for all the links. I'll also put up the X poll. You might want to vote on that. Down below in the description, I'll put the interview of Vlad Tenev with GameStop. And over here, I will put some event associated with this because it's probably going to be the biggest event ever on YouTube. I can't imagine this is getting crazy. Anyway, I'll put the event up here and down here, I will put the GameStop playlist, and the #1 video in that playlist right now will be the interview with Vlad Tenev. Can you afford not to watch that interview? I don't think so. It's just come out and we caught it, and there you go. So until we meet again for whatever, what the hell? Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let's do that. Anyway, lots of unattended youth with internet access are turning into roaring kitty. The guy has to frickin' pump it. He owns too much. He'll ruin the stock otherwise, if I'm not mistaken. Is Space following suit? Yes, Virgin Galactic is being pulled into the meme stop craze, the meme craze at the moment. 84 cents. Look at it bouncing up and down. What's going to be dragged in next? Vlad, where's my gold card? Indeed, where's my gold card? We are still waiting. Sadly, no, Grand 4. Ed Spitzer was worth a shot. Pick of me with Starship in Breakfast Bar. Fantastic. Let's go and have a look. Breakfast Bar with Mark Saxby. Oh, flipping heck, mate. How close are you? Oh, I'm loving it. Look at this. Look at this, folks. This is Mark Saxby, one of our members here in the chat, right next to Starship. Flipping heck, mate. How close are you? Because obviously it's very, very big. I mean, are you 20 miles away? Right? Because it's big. Or are you literally, it's just there. And if so, how the bloody hell do you get there? Because I want to go there. I mean, I wouldn't imagine you're allowed to be there, are you, when it takes off? Because I'm imagining, I mean, that looks pretty close to me. I would imagine it gets pretty fiery around there when that goes off. Anyway, what do you reckon? What do you reckon? Anyway, I'd like to know all about that. I'm loving it. Thank you so much indeed for sharing it. Vlad, where's my gold card? I didn't buy a lot, just some gambling money. Cover it live, otherwise it will have to watch it on his channel. Otherwise I will have to watch it on his channel. Okay, come on, I'm gonna cover it live. Flipping heck. It's gonna be the biggest event on YouTube all year. There's no doubt about that. I don't think anybody's going to disagree with you there. Yeah. 14,500 people waiting. Yeah. Certainly going to be a big event. Best way to go. Do it, Hugo, with stocks like this. There you go. Right. We're looking at GameStop at the moment. We'll come back to that in a minute. Right now, we're just bouncing around the zero line. Okay. Shall I sell all my shares and buy GameStop? What do you reckon? Okay. Now then, we've got half an hour to go, and we've got a big event this afternoon. So it's in 52 minutes. 52 minutes? That can't be right. Oh, yeah. 1:15. That makes... Yes, it is. I thought it was later than that, but it's not. Got even closer. Check out other pick. 200 feet away. Beautiful pick. Yeah. Look at this. How'd you get so close to this? This is brilliant. I'm loving it. Look at that. Look at this. How'd you do this then? Do you have to buy a ticket? Do you have to... I mean, how do you get this close? Look at that. He's right there, 200 feet away. He's right there. So I'm guessing you can't stand there when it takes off, unless you want to get fried, and then that's fine. Would they let you? I want to commit suicide. I want to stand right there. Are you going to cover someone else's YouTube channel? Are you going to cover someone else's YouTube channel? Yeah, what you can do is just the same way as we cover the news for any stock that's breaking news, the FOMC report, that's CNBC. If we're covering SpaceX, we're covering SpaceX channel. Yeah, I mean, you of course, that's the only way to do it. Thank you. Thanks, John. Wow, Mark. Yeah, I know. Pretty impressive. So yeah, let us know. How do you do that? Do you have to buy a ticket, or do you have to know somebody? I don't know anybody that important, I'm afraid. I'm not that famous. Clearly, I'm not that famous. I don't know anybody like that. Anyway. Go on, sell and buy GME. You only live once. Maybe not a very long once if your wife found out. It's not NASA, and you can just walk right up to it. It's not NASA. You can just walk right up to it. I was 4 miles away for launch. You can walk right up to it. So there's got to be security though, isn't there? I mean, I'm gonna tie one of my hats to it. I mean, there's got to be some security, surely. Anyway, FFIE again. Let's have a look. GameStop is pumping now. Flipping heck. Look at GameStop now. Look at this. It's up 45% now. How high is it going to go? Lucas Aids, please coordinate an interview with Mr. Elon Musk. I would love it. It's on the radar. It's on the radar. What about FFIE then? FFIE. Faraday Future. Okay. That's not really doing anything. There's no value here at all. I mean, GameStop is a business, not worth the money that people are paying for it, but it is a business. Whereas Faraday Future, of course, is just nothing. There's just nothing. Zero. I think you should put the hat on backwards in 2025, Martin, when space has been shorted heavily and become roaring kitty of space. And we will all buy it up at 100. We will all buy it up to 100. I love it. Once it's worth about 10 cents of price now, though. It can be done. It can be done. Well, there we go. Wear my hat back to front and pump Virgin Galactic. Yeah, I come here for the live engagement. Stream it, or can you? Yeah, of course I can. Of course I can cover it. It's no big deal. Anyone can cover it. No big deal at all. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, let's have some fun. Sod it. Sod it. If you can't beat them, join them. Let's have some fun with this, okay? So, okay. Okay. We're gonna have some fun. In fact, shall I turn it around? Which way around shall I go? Okay. Okay. I tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna do something from tomorrow. Only GME and AMC are important. For tomorrow. Right. Okay. I've got an idea. Okay. So we had GME at the beginning. GME. What was it? 10 minutes in. 10 minutes. GME 30. Okay, here we go. Right. What the hell? What should I do? I know. I'll tell you what I'll do. Watch this. We want to get creative? I'll get creative. Dance. White. Okay. I'll get creative. Here we go. So, I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to get flipping creative, all right? I can do this. The year is 19... Right. Okay, here we go. Let's wait for this. Okay. Here we go. Right, so hang on. GME. The Kitty takes on the English Lion. Biggest YouTube event ever. Shall I sell all my S&P and buy GameStop? Please vote in X poll. Yes. Do it. No. Don't you dare. Or undecided. Okay. Okay, there you go. Right. I just missed something out. C. Delete. So I've got to do that again. Whoops. Okay. Let me, so do this. GME. Okay. Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay, how about that? Then, yes, do it. No, don't. Whoops. Got an idea. Don't you dare. Undecided. Okay. 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 Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to, I don't care. This is just daft, right? All right, here we go. So we got a poll. We've got that. Okay, here we go. It's time for the face-off of the year. GameStop, Roaring Kitty versus me, the English Lion. We're going to have some fun. Should I sell all of my S&P and buy all of GameStop? So it's Roaring Kitty's studio, an event versus me. I'm going to give you the alternative to Roaring Kitty, and we're going to do it in a slightly different way. Are you ready? Let's get ready. Here we go. So, first of all, we have a poll running over here on X. The Kitty takes on the English Lion. Biggest YouTube event in the history of YouTube ever. Shall I sell all of my S&P and buy GameStop? The poll is running now, as you can see. Yes, do it, 88.9%. No, don't you dare, 11.1%. Undecided, no votes just yet. We've just posted this. It's just gone live a couple of seconds ago. It's going to be the biggest face-off ever on YouTube. Oh, yes, it is. This is Roaring Kitty right now. There are over 15,000 people waiting. The chat has gone crazy. 15,000 likes. We've no idea what's about to happen. It's the biggest meme craze day of the year ever. Probably the biggest YouTube event ever. I have never in my life, even though I've done work as a musician with Elton John has never had this many people in his chat 20 hours before the event. The chat is going crazy. So what do you think? That's the event. This is our poll. We're running a poll right now. We already have 17 votes on it already in the first couple of seconds. Yes, do it. 82.4%. So this is my position right now. This is what we're going to do. We're going to have a live event tomorrow. So if you look at it now, this is my balance right now. I've got $90,155 in my S&P. I've also got $83,000. So I've basically got $160,000, $170,000 to buy GameStop. Nearly $250,000. We're not far off. $1 million to buy GameStop. What do you think? Let's go back to GME and see how it's moving. So type it in, GME. There is the stock right there. As you can see, it's flying up 47%. What do you think? Should I do it? Go and vote on the poll right now. It's the English Lion takes on the American Roaring Kitty. There is the poll so far. And the votes are coming in. Yes, do it is now 90%. No, don't you dare is 9.1%. What do you think? So join me tomorrow for a special event. Yep, I'm going to cover this event early, but I'm going to give a different perspective. Roaring Kitty's going to be saying, buy it. I'm going to be saying, well, let's see what I say tomorrow. Join me for this very special event. It's probably going to be the biggest event on YouTube ever. So, where are you going to be tomorrow? Are you going to be here with me? We'll be streaming the live event plus an alternative view, an alternative idea, all with Roaring Kitty. But wherever you are, whatever you're doing tomorrow, you cannot afford to miss it. It's going to break the internet tomorrow. It's going to be very, very exciting. So join us. Don't miss it. Vote on the poll. The poll is here. Leave me your thoughts. And what I'll do now is give you all the links you need for tomorrow. Click above my head for all the links and you can go straight to my poll down below in the description, and I'll also pin it along here so you can join in the event as well. I'll put it right at the top and in the comments. It's the English Lion takes on the American Roaring Kitty, the biggest day ever on YouTube. Over here, I'll put the live event right here, and down here, the GameStop playlist for further information and a live interview just happened with Vlad Tenev. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, there we go. Whites. Dance. Okay, okay, let's get to it. Let's get really busy. This is going to be, this is going to be nuts. This is going to be nuts. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Plus end. The English Lion takes on the American Roaring Kitty in a special live event tomorrow. It's all going to happen here live on the show. We've got a poll. We're going to cover the live event that Roaring Kitty is doing, plus provide a different perspective. Can you afford to miss? Click above here, down here for the main event itself and a video I just put out all about it. You cannot afford to miss it. It's going to be the biggest day on YouTube ever. Okay. Excellent, Martin. Thank you so much indeed. You're not secretly buying GameStop, are you? Hugo T. Secretly. I think you all know what I'm doing. Oh, absolutely. Regardless of outcome, tomorrow will be fun. Everyone's going to void. Just for some fun. Everyone's going to void. What do you mean by that? Grounded neutral for best results. He's joking. Let's get ready to rumble. Satire, disclaimer to everyone. This is a bit of a satire. All in on AMC and GameStop. The Phoenix. Oi, mates, raw in it. Martin, the Jesus allergy lion. I don't get that. What do you mean by that? Excellent, Martin. Real talk, GameStop, Hollow, FFI, Meme Craze, Roaring Kitty versus Barking Doggy. Okay. Hey, Martin, I'm just a small profitable trader that would like to get funded. I would just like to hear any recommendations where I should go if you could. A dome. To get funded? What do you mean? No one's just going to give you free money, JKFX. I can help anyone make money. We can do fundraisers, special events, but no one's just going to give you free money just because you ask for it. I don't know what you mean by that. If GameStop going up another 50%, Roaring Kitty will become a billionaire. Let me just cover that then. Okay, let me just do that now. So game plus Sensei, . GameStop, I've just been presented with a very interesting statistic. If GME goes up another 50%, Roaring Kitty will become a billionaire. What a story would that be? Well, what do you think? Is Roaring Kitty about to become a billionaire, or is there going to be a big surprise at the last minute? What do you think? Join me tomorrow. Click above my head, down here, and over here I'll put the event and everything else to do with this big event tomorrow. We're going to cover it live. Is Roaring Kitty about to become a billionaire, or is he going to lose the lot? Join us. You cannot afford to miss it. Did you see the full context? Shadow Boxer just wondering. Did you see full context? Did you see the full context, Shadow Boxer? No, I have no idea what that is. Wow, amazing. If you're a short GameStop with your money now, you will win. Hey guys, Caden Youngquist. Lovely to see you, Caden. I've got your review on the list. GME will go up until brokerage switch off the buy button. The people who didn't sell their GameStop plus 20 are now are more than 100% up now, like me. Is it tomorrow yet? Asian from the Witch and the Wardrobe. I called Asian the Jesus Allergy Lion. Oh, I see. A billionaire on OPA, a billionaire on paper. Yes, he would have to sell. Yes, he would. Wow, Mike Koza. Just think of that. Okay, it's going to be a big event. Let me do this as well. Production. I haven't done this for a while. You've never seen me do this. So here we go. There we go. Put that there. So GameStop. Watch this. GameStop. Should I bother doing that? Need to be in a different template. No, I won't do it that way. There's really no point. I'll do that at the end. Okay, I'll do that at the end. Roaring Kitty is about 6 months away from being John McAfee. Right, okay. We got 15 minutes to go. We're going to ring the bell. We've got a special event tonight. So let me share with you what we're doing here. We'll put out the GameStop videos later. We'll look at the poll as well. 24 votes. Let me edit this video. Customization. You all want to go redirect. This interview here. There you go. All right. So we've got a special event happening in half an hour. Let me give you the link. Here we go. SPCE special. Whoops a daisy. Special event. Right. Push that to the top. Okay. He's probably making millions of dollars each percent the stock goes up. Or they are talking about him. Roaring Kitty on CNBC now. CNBC, really? Let's have a little look. CNBC. Live. I'm playing the live and I don't see anything. It's CNBC documentaries. They're doing a commercial. Maybe I've missed it. I'll keep it running, but I'm looking at... Let me go to their website as well. Let's have a look. CNBC. Stream CNBC Live. How do I do that? You got to have a subscription for that. $300 a year just to watch CNBC. I'm not going to do that. I can find other ways to do that. I don't need to do that. That's ridiculous. $300 a year to watch CNBC. That's crazy. I'll find a way to do that. CNBC Live. There's got to be a way to do that. Watch live TV. Sign in to watch. Oh, I see. I've got a sign in with my. I can do that. Okay. I'll keep that open. I'll create an account. But yeah, I'm not going to pay $300 a year. I can watch it through my satellite, my cable connection. Right, I'll get that ready. I'll work on that for tomorrow. Anyway, biggest news. Martyn on CNBC. Martyn on CNBC would be great. Yes, that would be good. Martyn on CNBC. Caden, one day, mate. We saw 65 not too long ago. Can you look at ASNX? Von Clark. Of course I can. You're one of my members. Absolutely I can. Let's have a look. Just a brief look. If you want a full review, you know how to do it. But whoops, a daisy. Just a quick look. ASNS. Is this the one? ASNS. That's down 44% today. 45 cents. How long has it been out for? Oh, I see. IPO'd in 22 and it's fallen off a cliff, gone all the way down. What does it do? Networking solutions, communications, Internet of Things. Okay. I'm just looking at it very quickly. It's not a review or anything, but I see it's down 44% today. A big drop, but it's really going just back down to where it was. But anyway, I would love to do a review on that for you. If you want me to, let me know. Anyway, so all this funded accounts are not legit. JJFX, I've no idea what you're talking about. This is my real money. I've grown $5,000 to $90,000, but I think you're asking me just to give it to you. Why would I do that? We do lots of work for charity and help people that help themselves, but I'm not just going to give you my money. I don't see much point in doing that. I've worked for it. Why should I give it to you? Give me a reason, and I might consider it. But I need a good reason. So all this funded accounts are not legit. Not really making any sense, mate. Hugo T, your whole show talking about GameStop and Kitty, best show ever. Yeah, that would be fun. Space drop. Let's have a look at Virgin Galactic. Yes. Oh, look at that. Yes, indeed. The interview is about to come out, and I've been saying it was an awful presentation by Virgin Galactic, and as you can see, it's being played out now in the stock price. No surprise there at all. Space drop. You can get funded account, but it's very tricky. JJFX, you can get a funded account, but it's very tricky. Sensei, what's going on here? Do you know what he means? Get a funded account. I ain't got a clue what's going on between Sensei and JJFX. Get a funded account. Double bottom at 75 cents. No, man, I don't want your money. So what is it you're asking me then? I'm sorry if I don't understand you. I'm trying to understand you and help you, but you're asking for, I just don't know what you're asking. I see websites where you pay for it and you do a challenge, or maybe I see websites where you do a challenge and you get a funded account. Not sure I understand. I thought to pay a couple of $100 to get a funded account. I just see so many places to go. I'm sorry, I just can't help you. I don't understand what you're saying. Yes, it's when you're a good trader. Firms give money so they can make them the trader money, and they give you commission. Funded trading accounts are a thing. Why would someone give you money to trade with? What's the sense of that? I don't know why you do that. Anyway, can you do a video? And I can, but you have to be a member. Time will tell. You're not a member of my channel. I have to focus on the members. I'd love to make you a video. It's a legit. If it's legit, you shouldn't have to pay. Absolutely right. You don't need to pay to. I don't understand this. What's going on in the chat? I've got no idea. Anyway, a prop firm. Why would anyone be interested in this? Why would you be trying to pay to make money? Why don't you just invest and go to earn some money and invest it? I don't know why we're having this conversation. I've got no idea what's going on. A prop firm? I have no idea what that's all about. Let me just prop firm. I'm going to see what that even means. I'm just Googling prop firm. The most trusted prop firm. What do prop firms do? Proprietary trading prop firms. Here we go. Proprietary trading firm. A prop firm are specialized financing entities that engage in trading assets with their own capital across financial markets. These can include stock, right? I don't understand what that's got to do, why he wants funding for that. No idea. Can't work that out. Anyway. Where is my review in your list? Where is your review in my list? That's a good question. Let me have a look. Our next review is OCUP, Occupier Pharmacy, and then Caden Youngquist, $5. I think that's right. Yep, that is absolutely right. Yeah, I'm hoping to start with the reviews again tomorrow. I was ill yesterday, and I was going to do it yesterday, and today I've come back, and I'm starting to feel much better now. So tomorrow I will do those reviews. So your review should get done tomorrow, Caden. 7M. You can trade with other people's money and you can receive percentages on the profits you make from trading. Oh, I see. Martin, he wants to trade someone else's money. Oh, I see. Does he? You're not going to trade my money. Why would you want to trade somebody else's money? If you are a good trader and an investor, why would you want to even bother trading someone else's money? It's called a hedge fund. A hedge fund. Right, okay. Well, if you want to be a hedge fund, you wouldn't be asking me on my YouTube channel, would you? You'd be at the New York Stock Exchange, you'd be a licensed trader. Why would you be asking me that? Anyway, bit confused why anyone would be asking such a question. Anyway, whatever. Right. Let me delete that. Okay. I thought I saw Sensei then in the chat there. Right, we've got 5 minutes to go before the bell, and then we've got a premiere of a special event. Back again, Stephen Lewandowski, how are you? It's simple. If you can make money doing what you enjoy, doing doing, you will never work another day in your life. That's very, very true. I love what I'm doing. Absolutely right. Okay, let's go through all the positions. Let's have a quick look at where we are. As you can see, the overall portfolio is just flat at the moment. Virgin Galactic's 82. What a drop here. What a drop. Let me do an update for that. I've got time. SPCE, Virgin Galactic. Okay, here we go. SPCE at end. Virgin Galactic, lowest price ever. What is going on here? This follows a terrible interview from Virgin Galactic. Once again, they just keep doing the wrong thing when it comes to marketing. I've got a video about to come out. It's just a few minutes away from coming out, and I listen in and take a lot of note of what Michael Cole-Glazier says in this video. This is coming out in just a few minutes' time, and I do my reaction to this video at the end. You cannot afford to miss this event. Please do listen in. We've got the flight around the corner, and the stock price is falling through the floor when all the markets are breaking all-time records. It was once again a pre-scripted event. It was an awful interviewer. They insist on it. It's why I cut ties with Eric Kearney. They don't want open discussion. They don't want to have a discussion where you can ask them anything. It's all pre-scripted, and it was a terrible interview, but you need to listen into it. The investors didn't like it. I ran a poll right now, and the overwhelming majority was people didn't like it. Let me share with you the poll. Here it is. There it is. 60% of you did not like the interview. 60% no, not impressed at all. So we've got this premiere about to happen. That's Roaring Kitty in the morning. Is going to be the biggest event on YouTube, and we're going to be covering that as well. But don't miss this interview. You need to listen in. You need to find out what's going on between the lines. But it's not good at all. So that premiere is about to happen. Click above my head. Why is Virgin Galactic going down? Once again, they're doing the worst things when it comes to running the business. Down below in the description, I'll put the event there, and over here and right up here, I'll put the event and the full playlist as well. You cannot afford to miss this. If you are a Virgin Galactic investor, you should be asking more from your CEO. He should be fired. So should Eric Kearney. They need to be replaced. They are not running the company effectively. They're doing it for whatever reason, but the stock price doesn't like it. Investors do not like it. The product is great. The CEO is awful, as is Eric Kearney. Go and watch the video, leave me your thoughts, and then go and vote in the poll. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, we're about to ring the bell. Virgin Galactic is collapsing again. Here we go. Just a few seconds to go. Time for day trader of the day. Let's find out who made the most money in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. So what we've got now is the market is closed. The bell has now gone. Are you up or are you down? I am completely flat now, which is perfect. Record numbers right now. I'm at $90,259 from $5,000, so I'm very, very happy with that. And I am flat right now. Let's see if I win or lose. Are you up? Are you down? Then we've got a world premiere coming up in a minute. Okay, here we go. I am flat at the moment. Let's see who wins. Up 1.31. Congratulations, Fight Channel. Down 7.23. Let's have a look. Up 1.28. Hi Martin, Wilma, Angel, how are you? Lovely to see you here. Big insider buys, buying Tilray. We don't know that. We cannot confirm. Send me the link in, Tupac, and I can cover it. Virgin Galactic, an instant rebound, up 2.33% in the after hours. Down 1.3, up 0.7. The winner so far is 1.31. Congratulations. I think Fight Channel is going to win. Thank you for your honest trades. There you go. Let's give them a big thumbs up as well. Congratulations. Fight Channel has just made a great score there. 1.31. Okay, it's time for our world premiere of Virgin Galactic. A video you cannot afford to miss. Virgin Galactic's gone straight back down again. It was in and out in seconds. That's a very, very bad sign. That means people are pumping and dumping instantly. That is not good at all. I've just seen that. It went up 3.5% and straight back down again. So nobody sees value at 83 cents. That's not good. Let's have a look here. Space bought back. I'm most of the money from gains. Is most of the money from gains? Not sure I understand the question. Space down again. Yes, indeed. It went straight back down again. That was an instant pump and dump. That's a very, very bad sign. Congratulations, Fight Channel. Congratulations, everybody. Let's roll the credits. Let's see who the stars of our show are today. Subscribers. I'm sorry I can't pronounce that. Arta Vian. Thank you very much for your subscription. There you go. Thank you guys very much indeed. New subscribers, a couple there. No super chats, no new members today. Alrighty then, it's time to go. We've got a world premiere in a couple of seconds time. You don't want to miss it. This is the world premiere. It is Virgin Galactic. The interview you cannot afford to miss. Learn all about it and then get the reaction of what the investors think at the end. Now then, join us for the live poll, the live conversation as well. That's coming up in a second. Yes, Martin, show us all your all-time position. John G, I show everything live on the show. I'd happily show, but you're not a member of my channel. I have to focus on the members' requests. Great show. Thank you, John. That's great, but I'm up much higher on SHIB and how much are we talking in profits? 15? LOL, Hugo T. Did you get mad when people said Virgin was rubbish before it was obvious? Did you get mad? Did I get mad? No idea. Did I get mad? I'm perfectly fine about it now. Why FFIE gone up after hours? Because FIE has been dragged into the meme craze. Let's talk about it right now. We've got just a few minutes to go before the end of the show. GameStop is FFIE doing the same thing. Duplicate, FFIE. Yes, it is. So let's do that now. Let's go to GME. GME, and we'll do GameStop here. FFIE. Right, here we go. Space, FFIE and GME. Whoops. At end. Here we go. FFIE, Faraday Future, is being dragged once again back into the meme craze with GameStop, and we are going to cover it live tomorrow on the biggest YouTube event probably ever. How do I know that? Well, as the world piano man, I know all about Elton John's numbers, a big, huge, real megastar, and he has never had numbers like this. We have got 20 and 19 hours to go before an event with 15,000 people already liking, commenting, sharing this video. This is going to be the biggest YouTube event probably ever, certainly in the United States. Anyway, that's happening. The reason why I mention this is because FFIE will be dragged into this tomorrow. So I know Omar will be all over it because he sees it as an investment. It's all out gambling. This is not investing, 100% gambling. It will be dragged into the craze tomorrow. It's up after hours. You can see how GameStop is up today. It's very, very precarious though. And we are going to cover a major event live tomorrow. Roaring Kitty is going live and we're going to be live before it and we're going to stream it and we're going to give you an alternative view. So you're going to see and hear what Roaring Kitty says, but you're also going to get an alternative perspective, not a one-sided argument. You're going to hear everything that Roaring Kitty says, plus everything from the other side of the argument as well. You choose whether you decide to watch just one channel or both at the same time. All right. So there we go. Faraday Future. Get ready for it. Tomorrow, this stock is probably going to move and we all know why. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Right here in the description, I'll put in the event at the top so you don't miss it. And over here, I'll put the event and the Faraday Future playlist down here. You cannot afford to miss this. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. What a great day. I'm excited. I'm excited about it. Right now then, we've got, let's come back to here just a minute. Right, it's now a Virgin Galactic special. A Virgin Galactic special. The stock is down again today, and it's bouncing around very quickly on its position here. I remember this when we saw Virgin Orbit, and then we saw it no more. So be very, very careful. I don't like to see the stock being dragged into the meme craze, but that's what's about to happen, I'm afraid. Congratulations again to Fight Channel who won today. Yes, Martin, show us your all-time position. John, I would share everything with you, and I do everybody, but you're not a member, so I'm not going to focus on that because I know you're coming in just to try to take over the show. That is not what we do here. You be a member, I'll show you everything and answer everything. Can a member please ask? John G, don't try and manipulate my audience. I know you're trying to come in, but we are always answering everyone's questions, but we're not focusing on non-members. We always focus on the members. MSK to $1. Then I become a member. Well, then become a member then. There you go. There is the link. Don't just say it, do it. There it is. Go back to old videos and shorts. He shows his trades. I show all of my trades, all of my positions, all of my money. I'm probably the only person on YouTube to do so. I share absolutely everything with everybody. But when someone who's not a member just starts off by asking me very personal, private information straight off the bat, rather than hello, how are you, and get to know the family, then I'm going to object, aren't I? John, he shows it all day. I certainly do. I just can understand the difference between a genuine request and a troll. How much are you total deposits? Are you still down? Nothing to be embarrassed about. John, I've got nothing to be embarrassed about at all. I share everything with everyone, but you're just coming in, being a little bit rude and impolite, jumping straight into a personal question without becoming a member of the family, without being part of it. So I'm not going to fall for it. I saw a short when you liked FFIE. I saw a short. You saw a short when you liked FFIE. What do you mean? I saw a short when you liked FFIE. I've never shorted a stock in my life. Amazing news coverage, Martin. Thank you, Mike Koza, MSK. Just a joke. I am making good money now. Hugo, I know ramen. John G, you know what it says. SPC did us bad. Yeah, yes, Ed, I understand that. I think Martin's embarrassed to share. Oh, my God. Embarrassed. I show absolutely everything. I'm not being drawn into this, this nonsense. And it's all deposits. John G, you're talking absolutely rubbish. I would share everything with you, but you're not a member. You're just trying to manipulate the channel, and I'm not falling for it. You've got to get out of bed a bit earlier and have a bit more about you to think that you're going to pull one over on my eyes. I own 2 shares of Virgin Galactic just in case. Whatever, Hugo T. Hugo T, don't sulk. There we go. Ed Spitzer. I'm down 71.45 overall, 14,076 cents. It's a tough goddamn conversation. Short video, YouTube short. Short video, YouTube short. What about it? What about it? Hey man, quit trolling and let him do his job. Yes, exactly. They just come in to troll. I haven't got time for those sort of people. I will tell everybody everything, and everybody knows that. I never touch space, but I understand painful losses. It happens. Afternoon, Martin, Jason Davis. Either get a subscription or go. Exactly. Thanks for your honesty, Ed. Everyone is 100. John G, you're missing out on everything. You've got no idea how much honesty we have here. It's the most honest channel on YouTube TV. You will get nobody else who will share with you every single penny in all my bank accounts, everything live on the show. But I'm not doing it for you. I do it for my members all the time. Right. Okay. We've got 2 minutes to go. Unfortunately, John G, as always, talks rubbish. He says, I'm going to become a member. And he didn't. Okay, another troll. Haven't got time for that. Simple question. Are you in profit? Yes or no? Not going to answer your questions. I answer everything for everybody. You're just trying to troll and take over my show. So I'm done with you being like that. He said to me, I'll become a member. Had no intention of it. Didn't do it. You know why? Because he can't afford to be a member. Otherwise, he would have done. Right. Okay. We're going to end the show now because we have a special event about to happen. It's Virgin Galactic in 2 minutes. Let's have a look here. Let me go into the settings, and we've got it set so the video, this live event, will go directly to the event. There it is. I'll bring it up on the screen. Virgin Galactic. It's a live world premiere, never been heard, never been seen before. So join me for the premiere, live conversation, live chat, and there you go. I said I'll become a member if you answer my question. Yeah, right. Okay. Go away. You're a pain in the ass. Let me just get rid of you. Put user in timeout. There you go. Not interested in your flipping nonsense. Coming in here. I'll answer anything for anyone, and everyone knows it. You're just here to annoy everybody. I don't need subscribers. I don't need members. I don't need people to annoy anybody. No more drama, everyone. There you go. Right. Okay, so this is about to go live in the next couple of seconds. I'm now going to go to the extra channel. After this, I'm going to put out the GameStop videos and get busy with all of that. I will see you back in the morning. It's going to be the biggest day on YouTube, I'm sure, for Roaring Kitty. It's probably the biggest day on YouTube ever. A live video ever, I think. I wouldn't be surprised. The numbers are through the roof. So very, very impressed with that. Anyway, hi, sir. I've been following for a month now. Love your videos. Malik Acid, thank you so much indeed. Appreciate that very much indeed. I can't follow what you're saying, MSK. What's MSK saying? I still respect you, bro, but the names changing thing is a little cowardice and cringy, brother. No need. There we go. People keep changing their names to try to get round systems. We know how things work. I can see a lot more than MSK can. I can see the IP addresses. You name it. I know what's going on. Into the shadow realm, the gulag, homie, second banishment, free the G. Ed Spitzer, I have no idea what that's all about. Anyway, I've got to go. The premiere is about to start. The moment that starts, I am going to go. See you over for the extra channel. Are you free for a call? Yes, I am, Sensei. Call me straight after this. The moment that premiere starts, I am going to go. Here it is. Right. Everyone join me for a live premiere, live conversation. I'll see you back in the morning. Now look out for our GameStop videos tonight. They're going to be absolutely massive. All right, that's it for me. Go and enjoy the premiere. Until tomorrow morning, let's get ready for one of our busiest days ever on the show. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.